good morning student. Today my video of class 8 science we will continuing the lesson microorganisms. Today we are going to discuss about the useful microorganisms. Useful microorganisms. How the microorganisms are useful? So microorganisms are useful in many ways. Microorganisms are useful in many ways. In food and beverage industry, in making medicines and vaccines, in agriculture, and the fourth, in cleaning environment also. In cleaning environment also. So one by one each topic we have to discuss here. Now microorganisms are useful in many ways in food and beverage industry, in making medicine and vaccine, in agriculture and in clean environment. These in four things the microorganisms are very useful to us. So very first we have to discuss here in food and beverage industry. In food and beverage industry. How in food and beverage industry the microorganisms are very helpful for us? In making curd. In making curd and cheese. In making curd and cheese. Look at friend, how curd are made or how cheese is made. Milk is converted into cheese or milk is converted into curd or cheese by adding a small quantity of pre-made curd into it. Milk is converted into curd by adding a small quantity of pre-made curd into it. Pre-made curd into it. What this pre-made curd contains? This pre-made curd contains lactobacillus bacteria. The curd or you can also say the pre-made curd contains lactobacillus bacteria. Okay. Now how the milk is converted into curd. Look here. How the milk is converted into curd. How milk is converted into curd. How milk is converted into curd. The very first, as you know students, milk contains a sugar that is called lactose. Milk contains a sugar. Milk contains a sugar called lactose. Okay. Now this bacteria, lactobacillus bacteria, convert this lactose sugar into lactic acid. The lactobacillus bacteria convert the lactose sugar of milk in lactic acid. Which acid? Lactic acid. Now further, this lactic acid converts the milk into curd. The lactic acid converts the milk into curd. This is the process how the milk is converted into curd. Okay students, as you know, the curd is a very important ingredient of bhatura and idli. Curd is also used in our foreign countries in many ways and in different flavors, also in chocolate flavor and different flavors. So curd and cheese, these two food that is prepared with the help of bacteria. Now we will discuss about the next topic. One more thing about this topic, but before we have to clean the board. Second use of microorganisms are in food and beverage industry in making bread, cake or pastries. What is necessary for making bread, cake or pastries? Yeast. Yeast is used for or used in baking industry, for making bread, cake or pastries, cake and pastries. How this is possible? For that, first yeast is mixed with the dough. Yeast is mixed with dough. Okay, and when yeast is mixed with dough, then the yeast reproduces rapidly. When yeast is mixed with dough, then it reproduces rapidly and gives out carbon dioxide gas. When during respiration. Okay, when yeast is mixed with dough, it gives out carbon dioxide. It reproduces rapidly and gives out which gas? CO2 during respiration. Okay students, now the bubbles of carbon dioxide gas fill the dough. The bubbles of CO2 gas fill the dough and increase its volume. Which makes the cake, bread and pastries rise in volume. Okay, and when the volume will be rise, then the cake, bread or pastry become light, spongy and soft, and it makes the cake, bread or pastry soft, light and spongy. So this way the microorganisms are also very helpful for us. Okay, now the next commercial use of microorganisms in this process. First we have to know about the fermentation. What is the fermentation? First we have to look here. Microorganisms are used for the large scale production of alcohol and acetic acid. How the microorganisms are helpful for formation of alcohol and acetic acid? The students, we have just discussed about the yeast. Yeast is very helpful for converting the sugar into alcohol, and this process is known as fermentation. So we have to look here, fermentation. What is fermentation? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast. Is called fermentation. Actually, students, fermentation was firstly discovered by one of the great scientists of the world, Louis Pasteur, in 1857. Fermentation was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. So, student, by the action of yeast, the sugar converted into alcohol, and further this alcohol is used for making cough syrup, for making industrial spirit, for making wine, whiskey, and a lot of things. So in this way, the microorganisms are very also helpful for us or useful for us in commercial use also. Okay, rest topic of this lesson, students, we will discuss in my next video. Thank you, students.